So in today's tutorial we are going to talk about set notation and Venn diagrams. So we are starting with some key points, and to make it more clear we'll design a standard Venn diagram. So in Venn diagram basically we have a rectangle that is used to represent universal set. The symbol for the universal set is E, doubling E, that you can see over here. Now let us assume we have got two sets, that is A and B. Set A and set B. So let us assume that we have got a example like this. We have got a universal set having integers from 1 to 7, a set A having elements which are multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, etc. Set B which are even numbers 2, 4, 6. Now we will try to represent these sets in terms of Venn diagram that is there on the right side of the screen. As you can see, integers from 1 to 7, they are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Similarly, set A which is multiples of 3, they will be 3 and 6. And why we will limit to 6? Because all the elements should be within the universal set, not beyond that. Similarly, even numbers will be, again, they are 2, 4 and 6. Now this is our set, but still we have to represent in terms of Venn diagram. As you can see, set A and B, both of them have 6 as common. So as you can see in this diagram, 6 should be somewhere here, because this is the region which is common to both set A and B. So we write 6 over here. So going back to set A, we have got 3 and 6. 6 is already included, so 3 will be somewhere here. Going back to set B, 2, 4 and 6. 6 is included, so we are left with 2 and 4. That is all about set A and B. But all the elements of universal sets should be somewhere within the rectangle. So the remaining elements will be somewhere outside. So let's see. 1 we have to include. 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 will be somewhere here, 6 is there, and 7, let's keep it on this corner. This is the way to represent our sets in terms of Venn diagram. Now going back to the elements, this is the symbol for element. For example, in our case, for set A, 3 is an element. Similarly, 6 is an element for set A. 5, this is used to represent empty set or null set. Universal set, you are aware. This inverted U is called intersection, and this is about the overlapping or the common area. In this section, in this figure, this 6 will be there in the intersection. Union is either in set A or B. So as far as this example is concerned, 2, 4, 3 and 6 are the elements of set A union B. A subset B. A subset B is if you have got the set A having elements which are all included in set B, then we say that A is a subset of B. We are going to cover in this discussion. Complement. Now by complement we mean that outside A, all the elements of A, all the elements of universal set E which are not in A are called as complement of A. This is another way to represent as complement, which is called as dash. Now we are let's have some examples from a textbook or from past papers. So we will start with this example. The question is, use the information in Venn diagram to complete the following. We have got set P, set Q and universal set E. Elements of set P are F, G, H, I, J. Universal set set Q has elements I, J and K. Outside both P and Q are N and M. The first thing is we have to find out P intersection Q, and you know by this we mean overlapping. And what is overlapping over here? I will use a good color. In this case, This is the overlap. So the answer will be elements I and J. For part B, we have to find out P dash union Q. Now as far as P dash is concerned, the region outside P is called P dash. So P dash this is P dash, that is the elements of this set are K, M and IJ. Union Q. Now union Q means if you will include Q, then this region. So the shaded region is P dash union Q. This is the answer for P dash union Q. Now going back to P union Q dash. The shaded region will be P. This is, for example, P union Q. This is the P union Q. So what about dash? The region which is not shaded, let's make it, for example, green color. The green color is the P union Q dash. As you can see, there is small n outside. By this we mean that the number of elements in this set and not the elements itself. So here we have got 2 elements, so the number of elements will be 2. This is the answer for this example. So here we have the last question for this tutorial, that is shade the region required for each Venn diagram. We've got 2 diagrams, so let's start one by one. As far as left one is concerned, we have to find out A union B dash. Again, it's very simple. Let's find out at first what is A union B. A union B is A or common or B, the A union B. But as far as dash is concerned, the region other than the shaded one, I have made it green. So the green one is the answer for the shaded region for the A union B dash. Now coming back to the second part, A dash intersection B. A dash, this is A. Sorry, A dash. Everything outside A is A dash. Intersection B. Now what is intersection B? This is B. So whatever is common to both of them, and what is common? This region. That is this intersection is overlap. So the brown region will be the answer for this. So this is the way we will approach for Venn diagram examples. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy if you can mention your questions in the comment section. Else you can share your WhatsApp number. I'm going to make a group. There you can shoot your questions and I will try to answer them. That is all for today. Thanks. Bye.